how do you think your faculty's experience has affected yours? When you have had less experienced faculty or more experienced faculty, and experience in terms of the practical world, experience in terms of teaching, how do those factors affect you as students?
It takes a toll on the likings and like our inclinations too. Like if we do not have a proper humanities faculty or maybe a theory, architectural theory faculty, so the problem with the entire class gets, not interested in those things and they don't take it. And then again, the people who maybe had an inclination before, like even before joining architecture, we stick to it, we stick to theory, we stick to reading things, but as a class in general, they get averse with the fact that, this is also important, or maybe this allied thing is necessary in some way. So the teacher, the faculty matters so much. I guess it like, for example, even during 10th standard, 11th, 12th standard, if you have a good teacher, then the marks goes up, you have an interest in everything. So I guess it matters a lot. And I've seen in our college and in our batches as well, where if the faculty, is thoda laid back, or maybe, isn't imparting as much as we would want them to go beyond it or something of that sort, then students also do it for marks. They just do it for the sake of doing it, they just finish it, and then you forget it the next semester.